Alright. Look what we got here, guys. It's a Bentley Bentayga Mansory kit. I mean, how cool is that? It's a murdered out. Sorry for the noise from the big trucks, but this car is just getting ready to be fully detailed. I mean, look at it. It's an amazing. By the way, I didn't say like welcome to another vlog, CarFreak 458. It's a lovely sunny and very hot and humid day here in Dubai, where we have Bentley Bentayga, which I'm gonna show you right now. It is matte black with all the Mansory details, carbon fiber here, Mansory. The full hood is a carbon fiber, so it's an amazing thing. Look at it. It just looks perfect. And look at the lights. It has engraved Bentley in it. The front lip is also carbon fiber. As I said, the full bonnet. It's like a Mansory thing here at the Foilex. We have also a G-Class. It has a carbon fiber bonnet, as you can see. Full Mansory kit with Mansory wheels on a G-Class. Mirrors blacked out. It's a bit tight in here, but come on, how cool is this? It's so sunny, so I'm not sure how much you can see, but I hope that the video is going to look like something. This is amazing. And you know what's even best? I mean, what was the best thing of them all? We have the Bentley key. If we open this lovely car, let's see. All right, this is how it looks like from inside. It's all blacked out. I mean, come on, look at it. First edition. This is the first edition Bentley Bentayga. I mean, lovely. So at the moment we are inside the Bentley Bentayga W12 cylinder engine with a 600 horsepower, first edition, as I said. I mean, it's all blacked out. It all looks so cool. As I said, first edition. It's all luxury, cooling seats, big screen in front, all these familiar things that every Bentley has. Let's just put the key here. I mean, it looks amazing. The steering wheel looks awesome. The whole interior looks so luxurious with all the leather that has, and all the wood pieces. I mean, wow, it's so hot. It is amazing, guys. It is absolutely amazing. Even in the back, it has a lovely space with the screens and everything, whole panoramic roof. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. This is like a luxury on another level. Now let's go out. Let's see it once again. Soft closing doors. As I said, the black badge. I mean, absolute craziness. Together with the G-Class Mansory, as I said, and then there is our familiar friend 6x6 came for the full detailing once again. I mean, what a lineup! What a lineup! And don't forget the Nissan Patrol over there. That is also customized, but some other time maybe about the Patrols. My phone got overheated, so it got switched off and it cools down. That's how hot it is in Dubai, but not as hot as these three SUVs. I mean, come on. Bentayga G-Class and 6x6 G-Class. Let me know in the comments what you think. Two of them are the Mansory, full Mansory kit. 2 V8s, 1 W12. I mean, amazing, amazing. With all the carbon fiber and everything, I'm really looking forward to see how it's gonna look like once it's fully detailed. Believe or not, my sweat is coming into my eyes. So, as I said, let me know what you think, guys, and like, share, and subscribe. CarFreak 458. Cheers.